Hey guys, so today we are going to be talking about this amazing new feature that we came out with. It is called the Juice Milliliter Tax. It's for those clients in certain states that have to put a milliliter surcharge tax on each item. So let's say that you have a 30 milliliter, 60 milliliter, 100 milliliter item, and you have to put, let's say, 5 cents on each milliliter. It's for those clients that have to put that specific surcharge on each milliliter on each item. We have created that for you guys. Yay! So I want to show you guys how you can enable this, how you will use it on your POS system, and how you can find the reporting for it. Now, it's not all about having to save each individual receipt and all of that, right? We wanted to make this easy on all of you. So let's dive right in. So first, let's get started. We want to start always on the back end here on login.lifelongpos.com. Right now, I am under the items tab. Now we're going to go to view categories. We're going to want to add a new category, which you can already see I have one here, and I have named it Juice Tax. You will want to give it a name. Keep it simple and easy. I've named mine Juice Tax. You could name yours whatever you would like. And remember to keep a note in your head of whatever that ID number is. Save that for later on. You'll know what I'm talking about in just a few minutes here. On to number 2. Back to the items tab we go. You are going to add a new item. And again, you'll see that I already did that. We'll go to the edit pencil here. And I named it Juice Tax. And I used the category that I just added, Juice Tax, and added that category to the name of this item. And we add no tax to this under tax class. And I made the price 1.5. Name it. You can make the price whatever you want. This is just going to be a baseline for whatever we want to create as an override in the future, which you'll see in just a few moments. All right, so we're going to scroll down and we are going to save. So on to the next step. We are going to go to our settings tab, payment methods, go to the edit pencil under cash, and scroll down until you see exclude category IDs from discount. And as you can see, I already have my ID in here, ID number 20. That's what we wanted to keep note of earlier when we were making that category, the tax class category. So category ID number 20 in here, save changes, and we are done. Now we are going to go on to the next step, general settings. This is where we're going to enable support for surcharges, which I'm already enabled for. So as you can see, surcharges are on. And you will want to make note for your product IDs as well. So I'll just run back here real quick. That product ID for your juice tax, right here. That was $129 for my juice tax. We'll go to view categories one more time. And then things like my 30 mil, 60 mil, 100 mil, ID 21, 22, 23. Okay. So back to settings, general settings, surcharge. So remember that surcharge product ID, the product ID that will be surcharging the item that I'm purchasing, that was ID 129. Apply surcharge to this category ID. So that's going to be applying the surcharge to all these category IDs, right? The 30, 60, 100 mil. Those are IDs 21, 22, and 23. So now I'm going to scroll down and save. Fantastic. So now back to our items page, and we are going to add what's called a custom attribute, which I already have here. You are going to create an attribute code, surcharge underscore price underscore override. Attribute name, juice tax override. Custom attribute type, floating point number. Front end input type is text. And we will save the changes. Now, back to our items page. So now we need to make sure that every item is set up with an updated surcharge price. So I know I have my 30 mil and my 100 mil set, but I don't think I have my 60 mil set. So let's click on it, press mass action, and go to update surcharge price. I'm going to press 6 and press OK. If you don't know if it updated, here's how you can check. Click the edit pencil under action. Scroll down till you see juice tax override. This is how I know it did edit correctly because it says 6 where I typed it and pressed OK. It did save correctly. Press save. Wonderful. All right, so now we are on my unit here, and I want to test out that everything checks out and is working correctly. So I'm going to press on my 30 mil juice and press on it again. And as you can see, here's my 30 mil juice and my juice tax surcharge of $3. Fantastic. I'm going to press pay. Order amount as if I'm paying with cash. And confirm. And we're all set. So there you go. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can find the report for that. We're going to go back to the back end here. We're going to go to the items page again, which we're already under. Go to report. All right, we're going to go to sales items report. And for category, we're going to press juice tax, right? Because that's what we just used. And we'll press today's date. And now I just got the report on how much juice tax was done for today. So again, if you guys have any questions on how we can help you set this up or any questions about the report on the back end, we would love to help you guys in any way that we possibly can. You know where to find us. I hope you all have a great rest of your day and stay safe out there.